The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will provide the finest of Samsung, and it has been verified that Samsung is going all out with their next big thing, from display to camera. We previously heard that Samsung is intending to introduce a brand new 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom, and now the sensor specifications as well as the genuine magic that this will bring to the S24 Ultra's zoom capabilities have been thoroughly verified. ICE Universe has verified the size and specifications of this brand new 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom sensor, as well as disclosing the icing on the cake, which is the 5x zoom picture quality that Samsung will provide owing to better resolution. Samsung has been working very hard on this high megapixel zoom employing the newest camera ISPs as well as AI, and for the first time ever we will be able to achieve near optical zoom quality of 5x performance. As I previously said, this is ideal for portrait shots since you get a long-range zoom as well as 3x optical quality for portrait image performance. The S24 Ultra will feature a better display than the S23 Ultra. We don't know what those differences are yet, but they might be Samsung's brightest ever display or an unreleased ultra-dynamic range display that Samsung showed off a while ago during their SID Display Week. There are numerous ways for Samsung to improve the display on the S24 Ultra, but if I had to guess, I'd say we'll see a significant increase in brightness performance on the S24 Ultra's display, and don't forget we're getting LTPO on the standard S24 and S24 Plus, so we'll see a display upgrade across the board. As we all know, Samsung has perfected the smartphone design look throughout the years, and with the S24 Ultra, it will become even better. As previously claimed and now confirmed by speculations, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first Samsung flagship phone to include a titanium build quality. This will be a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra from last year, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will be the guaranteed highest performing Android CPU of 2024. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.